welcome to another tutorial on databases. So today I'm going to show you how to create a form using the form wizard and how to add, find and remove data from your form. Okay, so last time we imported data from a file and we still have that table in here, so the price list, and we are going to use that to create our form. So obviously you need to have a table to be able to create a form, otherwise you can't get the data from anywhere. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to click create, and then in here we have all the form options. Now I'm going to use the form wizard because it's simpler to do it, and I want to say that I need all the information. Now obviously you can select what information you want to appear in your form, but I'm going to say I want it all, so I will click on that double little arrow. Okay, then I'll click next. I can decide how do I want it to look like, so I'm just going to pick the first one, next, and I can then finish. Um, this is how your form will look like, and as you can see at the bottom you can actually change to different records. Now I did tell you that I wanted to show you how to add, find and remove data from your form. So to do that you need to click on the form, you need to click on design view, and this is how you're going to be able to add all of those functionalities. Now when you are in design view you can change various things in your form. You can change you can add a little bit more space for your footer, you can change the size of the form itself, bigger or smaller, you can change the size of your boxes. So for example, let's put all of them more or less at the same size. And you can even change the labels as well. So it's completely up to you. Have a go, have a look and try to change it. Obviously there's themes in here, colors, fonts, to make it look exactly the way that you want. You can add a logo, you can add date and time, so it's completely up to you. Now to add the button functionality, we need to use a button. Okay, so in here you have text box, a label, a button. So that's the one that we are going to use. You click on the button, you find a space where you want that button to be. So let's put it here. And then you get to the button wizard. Again, this button wizard will kind of do the action for you. You just need to select which action do you want to do. So the first one that I'm going to do is add a new record. So I click on record operations, then add new record. Next, I can choose to have a picture or a text. Let's put it as a text, add new record, and that is command 7. Okay, perfect. Now I can obviously make it bigger, make it smaller. Again, I can change the size, the font is up to me. To create now another button, I click again on button because now I need a button to find a record, and I can have one that says find next. I can have one that says go to first record, but I want find a record, so I'll click next, again text, and find the record. Once again I can make everything kind of the same size. Okay, and the last one that I want to do is the remove data or remove information. So I need to go create another button. Once again, operation, delete record, text, finish. And again, I can make it. Okay, now here you have it, your buttons, but you might be wondering, okay, that's beautiful, but how do I know if they work? So to make sure that they work fine, you go back to form view and you can click on each button to make sure that they're working. So for example, if I want to find a record, I can then say which record do I want to find. Okay. If I want to add a record, it makes everything empty and I can add a new record. So to know description, first first birthday. The price is £1. Okay. And then I can delete a record, which is this one. Now, how do you know if your database actually works? So, or your database was updated? So we go back, we open our database, and we can see if he updates the database or not. So let's give it another go. Instead of deleting something that that we created, let's create a new one and then delete. Yeah. So one birthday, £1.50. All right. And now if I go back to the 5th birthday and I delete this record, it says you're about to delete the record. I say okay. Then I can just close this, say that I want to change the changes, and I close here. I then open again my table, and as you can see, the one that I added that says 1BR birthday £1.50 is here, and the one that I deleted, which was the 50th birthday, is not here anymore. So this is how you create a form. You add, you find, and you remove data.
Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get updates as the videos are uploaded.